It's some storm out there, isn't it, Bert? Hey, Bert. Bert, don't tell me you can sleep through all this noise.
Ernie, I was able to sleep.
Oh. Gosh, I could really be afraid of these thunder and lightning storms, Bert. Couldn't you? I mean, it wouldn't really take a lot of trying, Bert.
Ernie, thunder and lightning storms are kind of noisy, but you know the good thing about them?
No, I don't know the good thing about a thunder and lightning storm, Bert.
Well, they usually... No, don't worry. See, they usually don't last very long. They sort of come and they go. So just relax.
I wish this one would go, Bert.
It's okay. Go to sleep now, Ernie. You'll be okay.
Hey, I've got an idea. Each time it lightnings, I'm going to pretend it's Olivia taking pictures with her flash camera. That way, Bert, you won't be afraid, Bert.
Ernie, I am not afraid.
Oh, okay, here I go.
Do whatever you want. Just leave me alone, please.
There. Olivia just took a picture of Gordon lifting weights. Oh, he dropped the weights. Isn't that great, Bert?
Oh, Ernie.
Feel better already, right, Bert? Okay, here we go again. Oh, there's Olivia taking a picture of Maria carrying a whole big armful of tomato soup cans. Whoa, there he drops the cans.
Oh, Ernie.
Isn't that great, Bert?
Yeah, terrific.
Okay, let's see. What will it be this time? I know. David is carrying his bowling ball upstairs. Okay, Storm. Ready when you are. I guess the storm has stopped. Hey, Bert. Bert? Bert's asleep. Oh, I guess I'll go to sleep too. I can't sleep with all this quiet. Too much quiet. Hey, Bert. I've got an idea. I'll just take my flashlight here, and I'll pretend there's a thunder and lightning storm. Flash, 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 flash. There, Olivia just took a picture of David carrying his bowling ball upstairs. Oh, he drops the bowling ball. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, don't be scared, Bert. It's just me pretending there's a thunder and lightning storm so I could go to sleep.
Why me? Oh, why me?